believe I find myself having to explain my joy for Liverpool winning the Carabao Cup. This is after the dramatic win over the reigning European champions, Chelsea. So let me explain. As a Liverpool fan, my greatest desire is to get back on our perch by surpassing Cross's Manchester United as the winningest club in terms of league titles in English football. That is my top priority. Right now, we have 19 league titles and Manchester United has 20. Liverpool need to get to number 20 and 21 before Manchester United sort out themselves. Although it look like them out to get relegated before that happens. But that's aside, with our eyes on that main prize, every other trophy becomes less important to me as a Liverpool fan. After the league comes the Champions League, then the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup, where we just win in that order. But that don't mean we're not happy. So we win this little teacup. Yes. Of course happy. What you want the Maverick for though? Cry. So we win this thing. No, we win the Carabao Cup. We should have win it. We should have win the Carabao Cup. We should have win the Carabao Cup. We should have missed the penalty. We should have missed the penalty. We should have win the Carabao Cup.